Good morning, class. My name is Eric Brass. I am your instructor for this term. I'm wanting to give you guys a little motivation on a little information as to why I'm doing this and not trying to do this in class anymore. When you guys come into class, I want you guys to get into projects. I want you guys to get into work in the lab, allowing your vision or allowing my vision to help come to pass, but at the same time, you're using your own. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to start off with the unit circle, all right? And I am just not going to do this in class anymore. I'm just going to give you guys the skill set and make sure you're doing mastering physics as well for both the lab and the class. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. So what I want to do first is I want to go to my iPad here. You all have access to the iPad. I'm not going to force you to go and get it. It depends on what level of skill you would like to have. You can have as much skill as I have on the iPad if you like, or you can have a minimum amount, but you still will have, well, you would have a little less skill. So the skill would be me or you coming into the lab and repeating the experiment, the data collection. And so when I say the data collection, I'm just really talking about performing the experiment, setting it up, having your hands on it and everything. Otherwise, I'm going to put the videos up here. I'll suggest to you which apps you can get if you're on an iPad. If you don't have an iPad, if you want to just work with the data, I'll have that there as well. So you can pick the route that best suits you. Some of you guys might be constrained with time. Some of you guys might not be, and some of you guys might really be into physics. You know, it just depends on where you are. But I want you to do this, all right, at some level. So the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to go, I'm going to place more links in here, but I want you to go to Unit Circle as a mathematical model, resources, and I'm going to walk you through the entire thing. Okay, I'm not going to hold back at all. So you'll see right here, this photo it has data in it, but it's empty right now. We're going to produce it from these experiments. So each one of these experiments, they're short videos for a unit circle at 10 centimeters, 20 centimeters, 30 centimeters, 40 centimeters, and 50 centimeters. Let me just change this name real quick. This should be centimeter. Oh, it just, it's not changing. Done. So I'll just put a space in there and say centimeter. All right, that allows me to rename it. Because it's not a capital, not a capital C, it's a lowercase c. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start by pulling my regression analysis information in. Now, let me go back one more time. So lectures, I'll place those lectures here. These are gonna be PDFs. So let me select on that so you can see what I mean. So these are things that I was talking about as far as the normal distribution and regression analysis. It's really not a lot, but that's what I was talking about. So here we go. Let me go ahead and I'm just going to start with number 1 here. And I am going to go up to, see if I can